place where dreams are turned into reality. It's a place which has become the world's trade hub. Tourism and cosmopolitan lifestyle are its trademark signature. Dubai has been home to a very diverse population, with more than 85% coming from the outside world. And also, Dubai is home to around 5,000 companies. 300 of them are big multinational companies making millions in profits. But are they willing to spend the R&D investment in Dubai with these diverse opportunities? Well, the answer to this question is definite no. Not even 1% of the global R&D spending is happening in Dubai. So, why is there a huge gap? Are the students not willing to do R&D here in Dubai? Well, let's ask some of the students and let's hear
I
what
would
they
have
say.
to do a research. I'll be doing it under, the truth and the dirt of fashion industry. In Dubai, there are like complete amount of resources. So definitely, I think I would, if I have the will, I would definitely make it. Um, if I'm taking fashion as a research topic, so a lot I can do here. There's a wide range of nationalities that I can go to. So Dubai, actually it's very helpful because Dubai is a little smaller compared to the rest of the world. So it's very easy for me to approach other people. Dubai is like a very friendly place. So nationalities, I mean, it's not difficult to bond with other nationalities. In recent times, there's a wide range of nationalities coming down to Dubai because of its, various activities and, its built and, because malls and everything. And Dubai has recently become kind of a fashion
I
station
know I'm
for
very
everybody.
interested in international business, so I will definitely go for something related to trading. Actually, for studies, I think like if you are going for any other country, like suppose UK, Australia, Canada, those countries are good for studies. But Dubai is, as well as studies and for profession, like career-wise, Dubai is much better than other
Well, I think
countries.
that right now Dubai has been pretty cutting edge in terms of the overall region for getting in academic institutions. They have this DIAC and the Knowledge Village, which do a good job of getting in schools without them needing to be accredited by the sort of official UAE governing body, which I think is a really good idea. Looking forward for expansion, the sort of main issue that I have is that there isn't a readily available outlet for any R&D that I want to do. My degrees are in the sciences, so I love being able to do research. I love having an idea and then being able to work on it and then see the product of that. As I've actually been talking about this with some of my friends, it would be nice if there was some sort of platform that that we could get together with other people here in DIAC with, it would be nice if we get funded by a company and not just, do this for free. If we can get some money somewhere and get the equipment and really sort of make these research ideas happen, I think that would be a really good step forward.
So the student seems interesting. So is it really the fault of the academic institutions? Let's hear an expert opinion on this.
Hello, Professor. Having been in the industry, education industry for more than 2 decades, what do you think Dubai lack in doing R&D?
To do R&D, in my opinion, it takes some infrastructure that's established, very stable, and committed to the long term. It involves people with great ideas, but usually to realize the financial fruits of research and development, it's heavily reliant on very solid structures, very long-term structures, and also tied to people that can be attracted to the region for the long term.
Okay, so can Dubai has in it to build a platform to do such long-term investments? Are there people, are there institutions willing, are the corporations willing to do if such a thing exists?
I think the UAE has some great opportunities to do this, providing the structure, the direction. R&D, again, is very heavily reliant on upfront funding. that are also, very stable to bring in, some of the greatest researchers from around the world. Many times these processes, not only do they extend, beyond the 3 to 5 year time frame, but for many people heavily involved that produce great outcomes in research and development, many times they devote their entire careers to that. And to get that long-term career commitment takes a substantial investment in direction, leadership, time, and financial resources up front.
All right. Thanks a lot, Professor.
Yeah, there is definitely an opportunity to innovate here in Dubai because there is a huge supply-demand gap for R&D personnel, and students are being deprived of quality R&D education. So, how can we turn Dubai into a Silicon Valley of research? And how can DIAC do it? Can DIAC use their existing corporate and academic partnerships, or they can use the new technology platforms, online websites? Can they turn Dubai into a diversified environment? Well, I think we can. We have a new idea called Idea Exchange, where we talk about research liaison, innovation expo, and market studies. Let's hear what is Idea Exchange all about.
Hello, what's this new idea we're talking about here?
Actually, IdEX Dubai is R&D platform, virtual R&D platform provided by DIAC, which will help DIAC partners to upgrade their capabilities to align with the cooperation needs as far as the R&D is concerned.
Okay, so you're saying that DIAC brings together the corporations and the universities?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, there are so many different features in this. Like once for a smaller subscription fee, all the subscriber can use it, and even they can order market studies. There are studies available which you can purchase for the prices given, and at the same time, specific market studies also you can order, for which the DIAC can give you the prices.
So corporations, SMEs, and individuals can become members and register on this portal. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, this is what, because the DIAC has so much diversified, the population and different ages in all countries. So it can conduct those studies for you to your satisfaction.
Okay. So that means you're also looking at specialist studies also?
Yeah, specific studies also can be carried out.
Okay. And the same corporations and SMEs can subscribe?
Yeah, all subscribers whosoever, they can order these online.
Okay. And then I see sponsored links here. Does it mean that DIAC can have other sources of revenue apart from the sponsored link, apart from the subscription?
Yeah, apart from subscription, because the way the DIAC is planning, starting with this subscription and R&D thing happening, it is going to expand it in a very big way, which I'll tell you. So there is so many advantages, because people related from research, so they all they very well visit this site, and we can have a sponsored links also for and for that you can contact DIAC.
Okay. But I also see here that it says corporations who require R&D to commercialize can come on the platform and partner with universities that already have the R&D that they're looking for corporations to commercialize. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, corporations are there and direct partners. Ultimately, both are there. The aim of DIAC is to increase R&D activities in the region. So this is the purpose of DIAC.
So DIAC is meant to foster this collaboration between academic institutions and corporations in the local, in the GCC, in UAE, and in Dubai in particular.
Yeah, actually, DAG partners are having a very good student body, at the same time the world-class faculty and the institutes, which can easily carry out the research work, and at the same time corporations, they have specific needs. So definitely we we have a strong feeling that they can very well satisfy customers' requirement. Even DAC can give time to time feedback to the universities to upgrade their facilities to align with the customer requirement.
I also see that the schools, the universities themselves can also benefit from endowment from this corporation.
Yeah, definitely, because the extra fund is generated, and which will help them to get name, and at the same time upgrade their facilities.
This will encourage innovation, and don't you think so?
Yeah, actually they have a very big plan starting with this. At the same time, there's a big plans for R&D based exhibitions and conference and workshops to be organized, and which again people from all over GCC, they will come here and attend those conferences.
So you're looking at new products and lots of development coming out of
Yeah,
all
yeah,
this kind of
yeah, they have a very big vision, and they are going to attend it very fast.
So what do you say about global conferences, academic conferences, and industry partners and academic partners coming together?